welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this super sunset vibe sort of a look and basically how you can do it for yourself. I go into depth about how to blend each of the colours and the steps I take to actually blend them together, etc. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep on watching. My eyebrows, and I'm just going to prime my lids with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I have sort of done it already, but it's basically dried out. So I'm just going to basically go over it. Using the Sclbeauty 144 brush, I'm just going to like pat it in basically. Okay, now my base is ready to go. I'm going to go in with the first colour of the sunset, which is purple. So I'm going to take the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. Looks like this. And I'm going to take this purple right in the bottom corner. I'm going to take it on the M139, which looks like this. And what I'm going to do is basically use packing motions to pack it on. Okay, but like I said, I'm just using packing motions, following the natural shape of my eye. Not worried about blending it out at the moment. I'm just trying to get as much pigmentation as possible. I like to make sure I do it just above my crease, just so that when I cut the crease you can see all of the layers. There we go. Now there is a bit of fallout, but this is basically what we're aiming for, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that on the other eye. There we go. So now I have the same on both eyes. I look really crazy, it makes my eye shape look mad, but we're going to go in with the next layer of blending. So I'm going to use like a pink sort of red colour. I'm going to take it on the Sclbeauty Luxe Crease Brush. I'm going to take the Hiii Cosmetics Versatile Palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade here. It's like a bright luminous pink, and we're going to use that as the next layer of blending. So what you want to do is basically pack this on top at the very edges of the purple. Again, I'm not overly bothered about blending the two at the moment. The main focus is to get the layers first of all. And again, I'm going to repeat this process on my other eye. Go in with orange. So I'm going to use the orange from the House of Sparkles Run the Show palette. My palette is like very well used, but it's this orange called Tangelo. I'm going to take this Powder and Pout P310 brush, and again we're going to just blend it just slightly above the pink. If you do lose the layer a little bit, it's fine. We will go back in and redefine when we blend everything together, but just make sure you really pack that colour on and get that pigment going. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. So I'm going to take the yellow from the Hiii Cosmetics Versatile Palette and the 232 brush by Sclbeauty, and I'm just going to blend the final layer of colour, which is the yellow just above the orange. I feel like this step really makes the look, it gives it that sunset vibe, like it makes it, you know. Don't worry if you go into your eyebrow, you can always redefine that later, that's fine. We have all of our layers, and what I'm going to go in and do is redefine each layer and blend them out. So I'm just going to use the same colours that we used earlier, starting with the first colour that we used, which is purple. just make sure we don't lose the purple. Then redefining the pink. I'm really blending them together now. So really it's just about making sure you don't lose the colours and just blending back and forth. I'm going to go in with the final yellow again. Okay, there we have it, a blend. Now I'm just going to repeat the process on the other eye. Okay, there we have lots of fallout, but 2 blended sunset eyes. I look really crazy, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do a halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye in like forever. I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Correct Concealer. This is the white one. Now I like this just because basically it's pure white, so it's literally perfect. And I'm going to take it on the Soft Concealer 144 brush by Sclbeauty again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down the middle first, and then I'm going to follow the sort of shape of my eye. And now I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. So now what I'm going to do is I really want to use like a gold pigment on my lid. I think I'm going to use the Sclbeauty gold pigment. It's actually a highlighter, but I love it. What I'm just going to do is pack that on down the centre. Now and then I'm going to take it out fully to where we've put the halo. Okay, and then I'm going to blend this, the outer portions, with the purple shade. So that it looks like so. Now I'm just going to repeat these steps on this eye. Okay, now once you've done that step, it's time for mascara and lashes. I'm going to use the Hiii Black Magic mascara. And I'm going to use the style Cookies and Cream, look like this. And I'm just going to pop those on off of camera. Now what I'm going to do is blend the underside of my eyes. So I'm basically going to use the same colours that we used earlier, just on smaller brushes. So I'm going to start off with the purple and basically join it up with the outer side of the blend. And then with the pink. Blend the orange. And then the yellow. This is just your normal everyday go into the shops makeup look. I wanted to keep it quite natural, as you can see. I'm just going to do the same on my other eye. Now I'm going to go with mascara on the bottom lashes. And also going to put some white on the waterline. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Okay, now I'm going to finish my face makeup. The last step before lips is to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, so I'm just going to do that with this. Now I'm going to go in with lips. Okay, so I've put this hat on because my hair is an absolute mess. It's kind of like all wintry, and then you get my eyes like a sunset. But yeah, that is basically the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It feels good to be back, basically uploading regularly again. So if you want to subscribe, feel free. I post videos every Sunday. Well, that's how I'm sort of trying to do it. So if you want to see more videos from me in the future, make sure to subscribe. I will also link all of my socials down below, including my own lash brand. So if you want to check those out, feel free. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.